required in the question, so I need to join these 2 points. These 2 points, I join them together. Get me the protractor. So from here to here is 1.5 as required by the question. So we need to measure. We have done for where incident A is equal to 10 degree. Here I degree is equal to what? 20 degree. So I have to go for 20 degree. 20 degree. You have 0, 20. So this is our point. Are you getting it? Like what we did before, if this is 20 degree, because of what is required in the question, I have to draw it straight, right? But the angle that we measured earlier is this, which is 20 degree. Take note. That's why I said I equal to 20 degree. So we have sorted this out. Now we need to put back the block the way it is. Make sure they align the way you drew the outline before. Then the line P1, P2 must be equally spaced or evenly spaced. So now we have another point here. Are you seeing it? So I have to trace this from this point. I look through again to the point I must make sure that the 2 pin across is aligned through this side of the glass. Then I put this. I can only see this pin and see the second pin again. I have to do it again. I can only see 1 pin here. So P1, P2, P3, P4, right?
Yes.
I take note of my pin as I remove. I put them P1, P2, P3, P4. Now I need to join P3, P4 to the side A, B, C, D. So these are the 2 points. These are the 2 points. Are you seeing it? So I need to join these points to this. That will give me my refracted ray angle, I mean. So here becomes my R. You know this one is too tiny. That's why I didn't take note of it. It becomes my I. Right? Now the distance between these two is what we are now looking out for. Say this D. Right? So if we measure it, normally in most cases we are expected to measure it on this line so that it will be uniform. So if we do that here, we have 0.9. So when I is equal to 20, R is equal to, we have not done that D is equal to 0.9. So let's measure our angle of refraction. It will also align this way. Remember, this is our normal, okay? This is the angle we are looking for. This thing within 5 minutes or 10 minutes you are done. So you now see it becomes 0.10. Where is the angle here? 10 points. Okay, 11, 12, 13. So it becomes 13 degree. We are done with this. You see the reason why I said let's do 1-1 so that you get a very nice picture of it. Now what it means is, if you notice the difference, when incident ray is 10, refracted ray is 4. When incident ray is 20, refracted ray is what? 13. You understand? And it means that the refracted ray, remember the the law says the incident ray, the refracted ray at the point of view light on the same plane. And there's another law that says the sine of angle of incident, the ratio of sine of angle of incident to ratio of sine of angle of refraction is constant. They didn't say it's equal in a given pair of medium. And that's why we have S sine I over sine R equal to what? N. I want to show you something. Now this refractive index. Refractive index normally for glass is 1.5. So sine I is sine 10 for the other one over sine r. We don't know sine r, right? So sine r, when we cross multiply 1.5 this is equal to sine 10. So sine r is equal to sine 10 all over what? All over 15. So get me calculator. R is equal to sine inverse of sine 10 is what first? 0.17 over 15. 0.17 divided by 15 is what? 0.011. Sine inverse of 0.011. 0.630. Now sine inverse of this. Okay. Check it again.
39.050.
I don't understand. Sorry, let me take 3. No. You have done it before. 0.6. Okay. Divide by 15. 0.1157. Sine inverse of 0.117. You understand? That is by calculation. What we got here is 4 by practice. But if we want to do it, but there's possibility. What if this refractive index of this glass is not 1.5? You get it? So by calculation we are getting 6, but by practice we are getting what? 4. You get it? You will not be penalized because this is just, I'm just proving what calculations we have been doing. So this will continue. So if you don't do it separately like this, you may not appreciate it. You understand? So if you want to, okay, let's try for this 20 using this calculation method. Again,